Welcome back, folks, to another episode. I posted a video the other day of the cars out at the NHRA Summit Series up at Sacramento Raceway. And if you missed that video, check it out at the link below. What I didn't include was the motorcycle footage that I had collected. And that's because I didn't want it to get lost amongst all that epic car content. So what I think I decided I'm going to do is I'm going to take the motorcycle footage from race number 1 and race number 2, and I'm going to put it together into one video for us all to enjoy. If you like our content, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. But stick around because you're not going to want to miss this epic head-to-head motorcycle drag racing action. Stay tuned.
Seven, 120 miles an hour. Now Ron Carlson. Oh. 8-5-36 Mike O'Neill. Oliver down there. Here comes Carlos. Stripe. Wow, that was quick. $781 there. Quick there. 619. Yeah, he was going way. deal. There you go, starting on now.
Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed the content. Please remember to like and subscribe. Smash that notification bell so you don't miss out, and we'll see you all next time.